Hello, my name is Leo. Welcome back. Today I'm going to cover something that's very important that we haven't covered yet. It's trading psychology. This is the most important aspect when you're trading. You could be the best trader in the world. You could know all the good tools, all the secret things that no one knows, but if your psychology is not right, you'll mess everything up. So psychology, what do I mean by psychology? You can't get excited about trading. You can't be sad. You can't get greedy. You can't feel these certain emotions because they'll have you execute or do certain things incorrectly in the market. So when you're trading, you want to have a clean state of mind. You want to be very still and you don't want to have any problems or anything like that. That way you could execute to your plan correctly. For example, let's say if you trade it in and it goes completely against the direction that you wanted to and you freak out, you panic, you close it out, you just took a loss. But then you see that your technicals and everything was correct and then reverses right back up. And you know, by you just not being mentally stable, you just messed up that trade. So you need to figure out about psychology, like how to stay calm and think like a robot. You don't want to have any emotions when you're trading. And this is the best way to be successful in trading. So whenever you win a really good trade, you want to sit back and take a day or so you could like reassess and relax. Also, if you lose, the same thing. You want to take a day or two so you can reset. If not, you'll start messing up. So yeah, psychology is extremely important when you're trading. There's a bunch of information about it. I'm gonna share with you guys as much as possible on the computer how psychology is implemented. All right, so to combat psychology and to not mess up and not let your emotions take over on your trading, which you do not want. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at SKILLSART.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.